If you haven't already noticed, video is kind of a thing on LinkedIn. Shocking, I know. But it's not just LinkedIn. It's pretty much every major social media network. They are all prioritizing video in the newsfeed. For example, on Facebook alone, did you know that over 500 million, yes, billion, people watch Facebook videos every single day? That's crazy. But from a business perspective, here's something that you need to know. Over 90% of consumers say that video plays a part in their purchasing decision. And as you know, we don't just buy products and services, we buy people too. So if you're thinking about using video for your brand, this is one video that you need to watch. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to share what I learned over the last 3 months and over my last 10 Just Ask Cher videos. So stay tuned, because we're going to break it down. To prepare for this video, I took a look at my 10 videos over the last 3 months. And let me tell you, I was feeling kind of blessed. Hashtag blessed. Over just under 3 months, I amassed well over 215,000 views. I thought that was pretty good. And over 4,700 likes. I like that. 2,300 comments, 4,400 new connection requests, 25 really solid business friendships, over 50 qualified leads, and I've already closed on 13 sales and opportunities combined. And that's just under 3 months and 10 videos. Not bad, right? So the strategy that I decided to go for my video series was a less is more strategy, meaning less videos, less posting. Actually, I only posted once a week pretty much, and that was the video, but put more into the production value. I wanted people to get a taste of what it's like to work with me, really experience how I teach, so that when the opportunities come up where people are talking about, hey, we need a corporate social media trainer for our sales team or for our corporate influencers, they think of me. Here's the thing that I learned the hard way. Timing is everything when it comes to creating videos and publishing them on LinkedIn. If I post later in the day, so if I post around 3 o'clock on a Thursday, that video is pretty much dead in the water and getting a third of the engagement as opposed to me posting early in the morning on a Thursday. So I would say the best day to publish a video is on a Tuesday, maybe a Wednesday. I pick Thursday because my videos do draw a lot of engagement, and I would literally be responding to comments all week long if I publish them early in the week. So it gives me the weekend to kind of work with you guys because I love the comments that I'm getting. What I can tell you is engagement is the gift that keeps on giving. Not only are you building relationships with people and genuinely, in the sense, thanking them for taking the time to engage with your content, you're also increasing your opportunity to be seen within your network through the algorithm. Basically, the algorithm is looking at this activity and publishing it out into other people's news feeds so that they see it, and they may see either your activity or the video itself, but it's bringing them back to you. So while you're getting all that access into other people's news feeds, it's still your job to make sure your videos stand out. So around 3 videos in, I started to add a thumbnail image to the first few frames of my video. So rather than starting on the first frame, which is how most videos start, it actually shows up as an image that grabs people's attention. Another major question I get all the time is, what editing system do I use? Well, I use a really super simple and cheap editing system called Filmora by Wondershare. And it's kind of like drag and drop editing. They have all these cool features, plus it's pretty easy to use. I have used complicated editing systems like Adobe Premiere and Final Cut Pro, but hey, I don't want to be a pro editor. I just want to be proficient. Another strategy that I believe was critical to my success was asking for feedback. The one thing that I did learn from asking for feedback is shorter is not always better. And that was surprising because my videos typically clock in between 4.5 and 6 minutes. That's long from video standards, especially on social media. But when I asked people what they thought of a chopped down version of a video, because because I tried to bring it to under 4 minutes, they were like, it was good, but I felt like there was something missing. And I like watching long videos from you. So as you can see, there are a lot of different factors that have contributed to what I believe a successful video run so far. Whether it is prioritizing engagement, asking for feedback, watching my timing, trying to stand out in the newsfeed using thumbnails, and so much more, they all helped to get the views as well as build the relationships and get the numbers that I shared. So now I have a question for you. Do you plan to continue or start using video as a part of your personal brand strategy? Yes or no in the comments below. Either way, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped. And if you've got a question about LinkedIn video, LinkedIn, personal branding, or social media, all you have to do is just ask Cher. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next Thursday with a brand new video. You know what? Even though this is my longest video, like ever, I still feel blessed. #blessed.